Welcome to Visual Numerics, developers of the IMSL numerical libraries, embeddable math and statistical analysis and charting algorithms. The IMSL C# library contains a broad set of proven algorithms for numerical applications in a .NET environment. Literally hundreds of algorithms for math, stats, finance, charting, and more. Save time and reduce your risk. Rather than building an application from scratch, embedding the IMSL C# library can save you weeks, months, or even years of development effort. Plus, you can improve developer productivity and application performance. It's easy to take an application from the prototype to production stage using the IMSL C# library in a common .NET development environment like Microsoft Visual Studio. Let's show you an example of how easy it is to use. Say you want to write a program that finds the zeros of a sine function. In Visual Studio, first create a new C# project called FindZero. Include the IMSL C# library into your application by right-clicking on References and selecting Add Reference. Next, browse to the IMSL C# library and open it as a reference. Visual Studio will now be able to use the library for code completion and hinting. Import the IMSL.math namespace and implement the interface zerofunction.i function. Next, right-click on zerofunction.i function to pop up a menu and click on Implement Interface to have Visual Studio automatically write the functions that need to be implemented in your class. Now you can define the function f to receive a double value, x, and return the sign of x. In the main function, define a new zerofunction.i function and define a new zerofunction object. Next, define a double array of guess values that will be used to find the zeros of the sine function. Call the ComputeZeros method on the zerofunction object, passing in the I function and the guess values of where to find those zeros. Finally, return the computed zeros from the method ComputeZeros to a double array, and loop through the zeros array and use the print function to view the results. In this case, 2π, 6π, and -2π are the values where the sine function is equal to 0. This is just one example of the many mathematical, statistical, and charting functions available. With the IMSL C# library, your options are virtually endless. To learn more about Visual Numerics and how we can save you time and improve productivity, click on any of the links you see here or contact a representative for more information. Thanks for viewing.